Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy. I'm Dr. Luann Sailors, the founder and instructor for Sign Tribe. We offer a comprehensive American Sign Language curriculum that covers various aspects of ASL, including vocabulary, conversational signing, sentence structure, and deaf culture. In today's video, you're going to be learning the numbers 1 through 30 in ASL. Now for these signs, you're going to be using your dominant hand. For me, it's my right hand. Now for the numbers 1 through 5, you're going to have your hand turned like this where you're looking at your palm. 1, index finger. 2, 3, with your thumb, index and middle. Put the thumb back. 4, with all 4 of your fingers. And then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your hand. 6. Now, you're going to go down your hand with your thumb touching your pinky, then ring, then middle, then index. 6. Next is the ring finger. 7. Next is the middle finger. 8. Next is the index. 9. And then 10. You're going to make an A and twist. 10. Now, for 11, you're going to have a fist, and then your index finger will go up a couple of times. 11. Now, 12, index and middle finger, 12, 13, make a closed 3, and then up and down, 13, make a 4, close them together, 14, 15, you're going to make a 5, close the fingers together, have the thumb out, up and down a couple of times, 15. Now again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now for 16, you can, like 16 through 19, you can either do it like this, 16, and like rub the fingers, so you're gonna make a 6, and then rub your pinky up and down against your thumb, 16, or you can make a 6 and twist a couple of times, 16, or you can even do it as 10, 6, because 10 plus 6 is 16. The way that you sign, 16, 17, 18, 19 is going to depend on like regional variations or preferences. So again, 16, 16, or 16. The same thing with 17. Make a 7, 17, 17, or 10, 7. Make an 8, 18, or 18, or 10, 8. Make a 9, 19, 19, or 10, 9. Now for 20, you're going to make an L with your thumb and index finger and then touch them together twice. 20. 20. Now, the 20s are a little bit difficult. So 21, they are very different. So with your dominant hand, just make an L like this and point out, move your thumb up and down a couple of times. 21. 22, make a 2, 22. 23, make a 3, and then your middle finger will move up and down. 23. 23. 24, make an L, and then transition to a 4. 24. 25. Just make a 5 and your middle finger will go up and down. 25. 26. Make an L and then a 6. 26. You're going to do the same for 27, 28, and 29. 27. L, 7. 28. L, 8. 29. L, 9, and then 30, 3, 0. 20s again are 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun, or to improve communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe Academy is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.